guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Maya, and as you can already tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you how I went from this to that. Oh my god, I feel sweaty, but the place is so hot, and I actually just finished washing my hair, so I don't know if it's coming across on camera if my face looks sweaty or not, but if it does, that is the explanation. But before we start, I'd like to say that, guys, please sign a petition. I'm going to leave some links in the description box. Sign a petition if you can, even if you're not in America, you're not in the UK, you're not in Europe, even if racism doesn't directly affect you. Black Lives Matter. Stop raping our ladies, our women, our kids. And do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoy my content anyway. So let's get straight into the video. Bye. I'll start by filling in my brows with my NYX brown pencil. I'm going to use the spoolie to lighten the outer part of my brow. You want your brow to look as natural as possible, although there's nothing like natural here. But yeah, I think I like how it looks. Then I'm going to go in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer to just clean it up nicely. I like to raise my brow so that I'm able to go inside the corner of this part to clean everything well. This is going to be my base for the concealer for my eyeshadow as well. And I don't like to clean the top of my eyebrow with the concealer. I like to use my foundation. That way it's easier to blend. Now that I've finished blending it, I'm going to set my eye with my Inglot loose powder, face loose powder with this brush here. I'm just going to dab a little. Going with my NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. With the NYX eyeshadow palette, it's very pigmented, so you would want to be careful about the amount. I'm going to take the darker shade on this side and then deepen it here and here. And what you want to do is you want to blend it into your crease line. I like to make this part of the eye very deep, so I will keep dabbing into it until I get the desired color I want. And I think that should be enough, but I'm going to take the color I started with just to blend the two out. Going into my Inglot Freedom System powder. I made this myself. I'm going to take this gold. It doesn't come with names, unfortunately. It comes with numbers, and these numbers are inside. They are at the bottom. I feel like they didn't do this well, but so I'm going to go in with this gold shade, and I'm going to put this here. And what I like to do is, usually I would use NYX Jumbo pencil to coat where I want to put my shimmer shade first, but this is very pigmented, so I don't need that. But I'm going to raise my eye. Once I put a little, I raise my eye to see where this would spread to. Where it will spread to, that is where I will put the shimmer shade. And this for the Inglot powders, it sheds a lot. I don't know if you guys can see this from here, but if you're wondering why this is done, so that anytime your eye raises, the part that the glitter sticks on, it doesn't look messy. It will still look uniform. My eyelash, I'm going to coat it with my Maybelline mascara, just so that when I put my lashes on, it looks uniform. Okay, so I just finished on putting my eyelashes. I'm going to go in with my NYX Face Base Primer. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Sephora in Fonts Deep Color 57 with my foundation brush. This is very full coverage, and don't forget about your neck. You see how that little pump has just filled my face up. Then I'll go in a little on my forehead, and I'm going to use the same one to clean the top of my eyeshadow. Did I say eyeshadow? Eyebrow. I just like to go in with my damn beauty blender, just to smoothen everything out, to remove harsh lines and make it blend seamlessly. And I'm going in with the same NYX Golden Honey to highlight under my cheeks, to make the to make my cheeks brighter. I don't like to use a lot. Then I'm going to set my highlighter with my Fenty Beauty baking powder in hazelnuts. So I'm just going to dab, not a lot, here. I don't really like to contour my nose, but anyway, we are going to do that for the purpose of the video. To contour my face, I'm going to go in with my Inglot powder. I also got this as part of the Freedom System, so I can't tell you the name, but it almost looks like the Mocha Mummy if you are familiar with the Fenty Beauty line. Now that I've finished contouring my face, I'm going to contour my nose as well. And I'm going to clean my whole face, the excess powder, and blend everything together. I'm going to reverse contour. I'm not looking to do anything deep. Just I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Glow Matte Bronzer in the shade medium. This is my second time unofficially using it. The first time I didn't really see how it was working, but I guess this time I'm going to probably use it very well. We are going to bring some warmth back into our face, although I feel like my contour is not that of a cool tone. It had a red undertone, but we are still going to bring some warmth to our face. I'm going to use this blush from Patricia Bright's You Are Gold face palette. This was in collaboration with Makeup Revolution as well. So I'm just going to dab on this part, and then oh my god, that is a lot. I'm going to use the same highlighter in that palette. It's highlighter, baby. Ooh. Now I got this pencil from AliExpress. I'm going to link it down below. I'm going to line my lips with this. I want to go in with this NYX shade in Budapest C25. Going in with my NYX concealer in Warm Caramel. And then after using that, I'm going to use my This Is Everything lip glow, also NYX. To blend everything out. So now I'm going to go in with my NYX Sport Fix Extra Hold Setting Spray. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. Like I said again, please sign a petition. Your input is needed. Every petition counts, every signature counts. And subscribe, okay? Subscribe, because your girl is back, okay? No, I'm kidding, but please subscribe, okay? Anyway, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Glass, my mind, I'm stoned.